When your Costway Portable Air Conditioner isn't blowing cold air, there are 4 essential checks you can perform before calling a technician. These simple troubleshooting steps solve most common cooling problems. First, check your power supply. Ensure the unit is plugged in securely and test that the electrical outlet is working. If the outlet is dead, check your circuit breaker panel for any tripped breakers. Next, inspect your air filter. A dirty filter is one of the most common causes of poor cooling. Dirty filters restrict airflow, making your AC work harder and less efficiently. Remove the filter and clean it with a vacuum or wash with mild soap and water. The exhaust hose is critical for removing hot air from your room. Check that it's securely connected with no kinks or bends that could restrict airflow. Make sure it's properly vented to the outside and free of any blockages. Finally, verify your thermostat settings. Ensure the unit is set to cool mode and the temperature is set lower than your current room temperature. Give the unit time to reach the desired temperature after making adjustments. These 4 essential checks address the most common reasons why portable air conditioners stop blowing cold air. Most cooling problems can be resolved with these simple troubleshooting steps. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve cooling issues, advanced maintenance steps are necessary. The most critical step is cleaning the condenser and evaporator coils, which can become clogged with dust and debris over time. Use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment or a soft brush to gently remove dust and debris from both coils. This buildup restricts airflow and significantly reduces cooling capacity. Portable air conditioners remove moisture from the air, which collects in an internal water tank. A full tank can cause the unit to stop cooling entirely, so regular emptying is essential. Sometimes a simple reset can resolve cooling issues. Turn off the unit, unplug it for 10 minutes, then plug it back in. Some models also have a dedicated reset button. Air leaks around the window bracket or exhaust hose can allow warm air to enter the room, reducing cooling efficiency. Inspect all connections and seal any gaps you find. If ice forms on the coils, this indicates a serious airflow problem. Immediately turn off the unit and allow it to completely defrost before investigating the underlying cause. If these advanced maintenance steps don't resolve the cooling problem, the issue may be a refrigerant leak or compressor failure. These problems require professional diagnosis and repair by a qualified technician.